Every trip has destinations, but some moments become memories we carry for life. This is America Trip Part 3. Before we begin Day 7, I wanted to ask my dad a life reflection question. Something we can remember for a lifetime.
Going back to your 30s, what advice would you give yourself?
Sometimes kanay mong pagbasol sometimes comes late. As I recall my life during my younger days, God really loved me. He take care of me. God did not give me a lot of problems, except you. Your sisters, they went to school. It's so smooth. But you have a transition. You change a lot. What I can suggest to the younger generation, you have to focus on your education because that is an asset in your life. And your education and your attitude, your character, there's a lot. And most of all, don't forget to pray that God will guide you in everything you do in your life. Because that's what I do. God guided me.
Words like these, you don't forget. Day 7 in America. We drove from Irvine to Las Vegas with my mom, dad, and us together. A simple drive, but a very special one. Our first stop, the original McDonald site. So iconic, so fascinating. We couldn't believe we were standing where it all started. Inside, we saw old McDonald's merchandise from different countries. Classic uniforms, including ones used in the movie The Founder.
Now, I know what you're thinking. How the heck does a 52-year-old, over-the-hill milkshake machine salesman build a fast food empire with 1,600 restaurants in 50 states, 5 foreign countries, with an annual revenue of in the neighborhood of $700 million? One word: persistence.
And so much history. Simple, nostalgic, and honestly, really nice.
The values that I pass to my child is to be God-fearing and just to be honest to yourself and to love your family and let God be the center of your family.
Our next stop was Eddie World. A bit of a drive, but the best part? The conversations with family along the way.
What makes my life truly happy and content? The moment all of you finish school and college. That's why when I was diagnosed with a lung cancer last April, oh my God, I cannot see my children anymore. I told myself, oh my God, can I celebrate my birthday this coming September? That's a question mark. Can I reach December? Can I celebrate Christmas with my children for their planning to come over here? Oh, but thanks God, I'm here. Today is Christmas. And there's a lot of development of my medication with my lung cancer. It's very promising and hope it will go soon. I will be cured.
We had a late lunch here and explored the toys and candies. Before leaving, I had to get one shot with the desert mountains in the background. Our next stop, the world's tallest thermometer in Baker. Just a quick photo. But look at this pan cooking an egg statue. That's actually pretty smart. Our first stop in Las Vegas, the aquarium at Silverton Casino. This massive aquarium was fascinating to watch, and the mermaid performance was amazing. We also had a photo session here. Andy and Atta Dedding treated us for a night at South Point. And wow, what a night! Callie played at the arcade. Daddy John had a boys' night bowling. And look at that. Strike! Day 8. We finally visited 7 Magic Mountains. We were supposed to come yesterday, but arriving at night made us realize this place is best enjoyed in daylight. 3 fun facts about 7 Magic Mountains. Giant rainbow rocks in the middle of the desert, because why not stack neon boulders where no one expects them? Free and Instagram approved. No tickets, no lines, just park, pose, and shoot. Quick stop, big impact. Only 25 minutes from the strip, but photos look way off-grid. After this, we had dinner with my cousins, some of whom I never have seen before. And I have one cousin who looks like my mom and even talks like her. Check this out.
This is Mrs. Clark. And she look like, isn't it? Is it cute?
Who's that?
Mrs. Clark. She look like one of my employees. You heard that?
After dinner, we went to Atta Baby's home. More stories, more photos, more memories. While John's dad and John enjoyed a quiet massage, just taking everything in. Time with family is never wasted. Memories are the real souvenirs. Life slows down when you're with people you love.